for apple. Apple. B is for banana. Banana. C is for cherry. Cherry. D is for date. Date. A is for elderberry. Elderberry. F is for fig. Fig. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for honeydew. Honeydew. I is for Indian fig. Indian fig. J is for jackfruit. Jackfruit. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. L is for lemon. Lemon. M is for mango. Mango. N is for nectarine. Nectarine. O is for orange. Orange. P is for papaya. Papaya. Q is for quince. Quince. R is for raspberry. Raspberry. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. T is for tangerine. Tangerine. U is for oogly fruit. Oogly fruit. V is for velvet apple. Velvet apple. Velvet is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for sigua. Sigua. E is for yellow passion fruit. Yellow passion fruit. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.